Well, I definitely learned my lesson with my last chimney scare about having to install carbon monoxide detectors. So let's get these little fuckers installed, shall we? I just purchased these couple off Amazon. They were relatively cheap enough for saving my house potentially one day, or maybe even saving my life one day. You know what I mean? Carbon monoxide is real, my friends. It definitely makes you feel drowsy, I'll tell you that much. My Christ, I am so glad that I got my chimney fixed. With a little help from my buddy. Yeah, that one's working nice. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Here we go, a couple of screws to save my life. That's right, baby. These things are very important. Trust me on that. I learned my lesson the hard way. Okay? If you want a nice little drowsy rest, you can inhale some carbon monoxide. That's for damn sure. Not only am I installing one, but I am installing two because I figured, hey, a little extra insurance policy, right? So we got the wood stove here, and then just in front of it, we've got the first carbon monoxide detector here, and then way up behind the chimney pipe, we've got the second detector. That's right. So I've got frontal and rear protection here on all ends of the chimney pipe. So here we go. Safety first, my friends.